Good day everyone! Welcome to my presentation in Mathematics and the Modern World. I hope you learned something from this presentation. So first topic is importance and definition of mathematics. Mathematics is the study of numbers, patterns, shapes, and problem solving. It helps people understand and solve everyday problems. It is not only about solving equations or doing calculations. It also helps us think logically and find the best solution to different situations in our daily lives. Through mathematics, we learn how to analyze problems, make good decisions, and solve them step by step. Halimbawa, ginagamit natin ito sa pagbabudget ng pera, pamimili ng mga kailangan, pagsukat ng oras at kahit sa pagluluto, kung saan kailangan tama ang sukat ng mga sangkap. Ipinapakita lamang neto na ang mathematics ay hindi lang mahalaga sa loob ng classroom kundi pati na rin sa atin pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Define mathematics. Explain the importance of mathematics in daily life. Identify situations where mathematics is used. These objectives help us understand what mathematics is and why it is important in our daily lives. Tinutulungan din tayo netong malaman kung saan at paano natin nagagamit ang mathematics sa iba't ibang sitwasyon tulad ng pagbabudget ng pera, pamimili at pagsukat ng oras. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral ng mga layuning ito, mas nade-develop ang ating critical thinking at problem solving skills. Dahil dito, mas nagiging handa tayo sa pagharap sa iba't ibang sitwasyon at paggawa ng tamang desisyon sa ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Mathematics is used in shopping, budgeting, measuring, and telling time. It develops logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Many professions use mathematics such as teachers, engineers, and accountants. Mathematics is a subject that helps us understand numbers, patterns, and relationships between different things. Hindi lamang ito ginagamit sa loob ng classroom dahil may malaking bahagi rin ito sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Through mathematics, we learn how to analyze situations, organize information, and find solutions step by step. Natututo tayong maging mas maiangat sa pag-iisip at gumawa ng tamang proseso bago magkaroon ng sagot. Mathematics is also important because it is used in different areas and professions. Maraming trabaho ang umaasa sa mathematics upang makagawa ng tamang calculations, plans at decisions. After learning about the importance of mathematics, we can now see that mathematics is present in many aspects of life. Our next topic is patterns in nature, where we will explore how mathematical ideas can be found in different forms of nature. Patterns in nature are repeated shapes, designs, or arrangements found in the natural world. Patterns in nature can be seen everywhere around us. These are repeated shapes, designs, or arrangements that occur naturally without being created by humans. Makikita natin ang mga ito sa mga bulaklak, dahon, kabibi, snowflakes at maging sa mga alon ng dagat. Ang mga pattern na ito ay nagpapakita na may kaayusan at organisasyon sa kalikasan at dito rin natin makikita kung paano konektado ang mathematics sa natural world. Define patterns in nature. Identify examples of natural patterns. Explain why patterns are important. In this topic, we will define what patterns in nature are and understand how they appear in the natural world. We will also identify different examples of natural patterns and explain why they are important in understanding the connection between mathematics and nature. Sa madaling salita, aalamin natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng patterns in nature. Titingnan natin ang iba't ibang halimbawa neto sa ating kapaligiran at ipapaliwanag kung bakit mahalaga ang mga pattern na ito. Sa pamamagitan neto, mas mauunawaan natin na ang mathematics ay hindi lamang makikita sa mga numero at formula, kundi makikita rin sa mga halaman, hayop at iba pang bahagi ng kalikasan. Examples include flower, petals, honeycombs, spider webs, and seashells. Patterns help scientists understand how nature works. They show order and beauty in the environment. We can find many examples of patterns in nature such as flower, petals, honeycombs, spider webs, and seashells. Although these look different from one another, they all have repeated shapes or arrangements that occur naturally. These patterns are not only beautiful to look at, but they also help scientists understand how living things grow, survive, and interact with their environment. They show that nature follows certain patterns and order, which is one reason why mathematics is closely connected to the natural world. Now that we have learned about patterns in nature and how mathematics can be found in the world around us, let us move on to our third and final topic, which is mathematical symbols. In this topic, we will learn the different symbols used in mathematics and understand their meanings and importance in solving mathematical expressions and equations. Mathematical symbols are signs used to represent mathematical operations and relationships. Mathematical symbols are signs that make mathematical expression easier to read and understand. Instead of writing operations or relationships in words, we use symbols to represent them. Sa madaling salita, ang mga mathematical symbols ay nagsisilbing gabay upang mas madaling maipakita at maunawaan ang iba't ibang mathematical operations at relasyon ng mga numero. Dahil dito, mas nagiging simple, malinaw at mas mabilis ang pagsagot sa mga mathematical problems. Identify common mathematical symbols. Explain the meaning of each symbol. Apply symbols in simple mathematical expressions. In this topic, we will identify the common mathematical symbols used in solving mathematical problems. We will also explain the meaning and purpose of each symbol and learn how they are used in simple mathematical expression. Sa madaling salita, aalamin natin ang iba't ibang mathematical symbols at ang kahulugan ng bawat isa. Matutuhan din natin kung paano gamitin ang mga simbolong ito sa mga simpleng mathematical expression at kung bakit mahalaga ang tamang paggamit ng mga ito sa pagsagot ng mga mathematical problems. Sa pamamagitan nito, mas magiging malinaw at mas madali nating maunawaan ang iba't ibang mathematical concepts. Addition or plus means combine. Subtraction or minus means take away. Multiplication or times means repeated addition. Division or divide means sharing equally. Equal sign means both sides have the same value. Each mathematical symbol has a specific meaning and function. These symbols help us understand mathematical expression and solve problems more easily. Instead of writing operations in words, we use symbols because they are simpler and easier to recognize. Bawat mathematical symbol ay may sariling kahulugan at ginagamit ang mga simbolong ito upang mas maging malinaw at mas madaling maunawaan ang mga mathematical expressions at equations. Sa kabuuan, mahalagang matutunan ang tamang kahulugan at paggamit ng mga mathematical symbols dahil ito ang nagsisilbing batayan sa tamang pagsagot at pag-unawa sa iba't ibang mathematical problems. Sa pamamagitan ng mga simbolong ito, mas nagiging malinaw, organisado at mas madaling sundan ang mga mathematical expression at equations. Hindi lamang ito ginagamit sa loob ng silid-aralan, kundi maging sa iba't ibang larangan tulad ng science, science, engineering, technology at iba pang profesyon. Kaya naman, ang pag-unawa sa mga mathematical symbols ay isang mahalagang kasanayan na makatutulong sa atin sa pag-aaral at sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. That concludes my presentation. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something from today's discussion. Once again, thank you and have a great day.